Hi everyone. Is Snapchat not updating on the Play Store or App Store? Don't worry, in this video I will show you easy and effective ways to fix this problem step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet connection is properly working. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn on airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection. Step 2. Restart your phone. Now restart your phone. This refreshes system services and often fixes app update issue. Step 3. Clear Play Store, App Store cache. For Android user, go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Store, Storage and Cache, Clear Cache. Also clear cache for Google Play Store services and Google Services Framework. This usually fixes stuck or failed updates. Step 4. Check available storage. Make sure your phone has enough free storage space. If your storage is full, apps like Snapchat won't update. Step 5. Update Google Play services, Android only. Open the Play Store and check if Google Play services is up to date. An outdated service can stop apps from dating properly. Step 6. Check date and time settings. Go to Settings, Date and Time. Turn on Automatic Date and Time. Wrong time settings can block app updates. Step 7. Log out and sign in to your App Store account. On Android, remove your Google account and add it again. On iPhone, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in from settings. Last option, reinstall Snapchat. If Snapchat still won't update, uninstall the app and reinstall it from the official store. This installs the last version automatically. Important tips: avoid using third-party app storage. Keep your phone store software updated. Some updates roll out slowly, so you may need to wait a bit. And that's it. These steps should fix the Snapchat app not updating issue on Play Store or App Store. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more Snapchat and easy teach fixes.